What's going on, guys? Your artist, your favorite artist, Andaluz, the artist. A lot of people always are like, yo, you should blog, you should put up what you do. The amount of stuff you do on a daily basis is insane. So I said, you know what, let me try it. On top of that, what else we have going on is I am in my Ram 1500. You guys know I had a Ford F-150. Now I have a 2021 Laramie Ram 1500. And I've been waiting for a while because I've had 1,000 other things going on. I actually have a lift kit coming in from Rough Country. I got the lift kit. We got to install the lift kit. And the wheels are coming in. Amp tires. These are the Amp RT tires, which I haven't seen too much about. I haven't seen too many people on YouTube post about the Amp RT. So I'm going to show you guys the tires. Welcome to the life of Andaluz, the artist. We're the fan, fashion, art, and music. As you see, that's the Queens edition because we have the shop in Queens and we have a shop out here in Central Islip. So let's get to it. Dope, dope, dope. Look what we have here. Look what we have here, man. These are the Amp tires I was talking to you guys about. And we just got them. I mean, look how aggressive these bad boys are. These are like a hybrid tire, man. Woo. Look at these. Wow. Those are nice. And also, another goodie. LMC truck, shout out to them. These are some goodies for my Chevy C10 truck that I'm working on, that I'm going to be custom painting soon. I think I have some headlights and a few other lights and goodies in there. LMC truck, AmericanTrucks.com. And man, these look dope. Look at these. Look at the tread on these things. Amp RT. And these are the Terrain Attack RT. My other F-150, I actually purchased Amp. That's why I got these. They're fairly reasonable, a lot cheaper than some of the other brands, but they still have that aggressive look. And man, they lasted on my F-150. And I got the Amp all terrain, but these are the RT for rugged terrain. So these are fire. Got to get them in the truck and get them back to the warehouse. All right, guys, so we're outside. We're in Huntington Station right now, using my good friend Marvin and Leo to install the lift and the tires, these big old boys. That's my guy Marvin right here. I don't know if he's working hard or hardly working, but yeah, I got the little bro coming to pick me up. You see what he's in. You see what he's in. You're in my vlog.
Vlog?
Yes.
What at?
They all want to know who you are.
I'm this guy's little brother.
Yep.
How do you?
Type R. They want to know who you are. Type R.
Look like this is what the van would look like. Big old boy.
Fire. Now we got the big boy. Sheesh. Start heavy, huh? Wow, look at them bad boys. Ah, que bacán. Okay. Look at the difference. Look at the difference. Whoa. Whoa. All right, guys, so it's actually been a day. I had them work on it. It took a few hours, but now the car is done. I gave it a quick wash because I have 1,000 things going on. Actually, today is election day, so, you know, had to do my fair part in the morning. But man, I'm excited about it. The AMP RT Terra Attack wheels and the lift, the rough country 3.5-inch lift, I think it fits perfect. So I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like. Let's get into it.
Yeah. Masterpiece. It's the only way it had to be, Your Majesty. I came out the dungeon after I masterpiece. Gradually master the cheat. The hate is vividly, the energy came with a fee. Keep the receipts, I'm out of reach, out of state, out of mind. Left the scene, I'm replying to messages left on green. I'm on go. You see the red light, I move with a beam, so you know it is what it is.
The wheels look so good on them. You know, I got the original OEM rims, but I mean the tires, they just look super aggressive. Gives it a little bit more of an off-road, vicious look, and I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think of it. And wait, stay tuned, because I got a lot more coming for you guys with this truck. Peace.
It's Andaluz in black, better get sus. You lose a stack or lose your mind when you square root what's mine. You're too attached, do the math.